With modern PC games advancing at such a rapid rate, there is no surprise that there are multiple titles that have been released that most standard cookie-cutter computers can barely handle. And as PC gamers, we like to have and experience the best. We like to play our games on the highest settings possible, with the highest frame rate possible, with as many RGB lights as possible. Fortunately, in this day and age, even a budget gaming PC will allow you to run most games on higher settings on an affordable 1080p monitor. Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 PC builds 2023. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Number 5. Balanced $1,000 Intel Gaming PC. For $1,000, you can build a machine that can run any game at 2560 x 1440 resolution and is ready for VR gaming using the Oculus Rift headgear. Even a $1,000 gaming PC should be capable of handling 4K gaming. The $1,000 figure is the sweet spot for assembling your own computer, as $1,000 in parts is sufficient to deliver optimal in-game performance while remaining within a reasonable budget. This system includes an Intel Core i5-12400 processor, an AMD RX 6700 XT GPU, 16 GB of DDR4 3200 mAh RAM, and a 1 TB SATA SSD. Overall, this is the ideal gaming PC for anyone wishing to maximize titles on a 1080 144Hz monitor or even a higher resolution 1440p monitor. Again, this system should be able to handle 4K quality titles as well. However, in order to keep a higher frame rate when playing more demanding games at 4K resolution, you'll need to reduce several settings. To ensure the smoothest in-game experience possible, match this build with a monitor that supports AMD's FreeSync technology. Number 4. 4K VR Monster $1,250 Gaming PC. A high-quality bespoke computer can be obtained for a budget of $1,250 or more. At this price point, you can build a computer capable of handling games on 1080 144Hz or 240Hz panels. It will also function as a 1440p 144Hz or 4K gaming PC. However, playing on the maximum settings is just one of the many advantages of spending $1,250 on gaming computer components. You can also expect your computer to be relevant for a long time and to have high-quality parts throughout its build. This setup includes an Intel Core i5-12600KF processor, a Radeon RX 6700 XT graphics card, an RGB-friendly motherboard, 16 GB of memory, a 1 TB SATA SSD, and a high-quality 650 mAh power supply. While this system lacks a current-generation Intel CPU and DDR5 memory, the combination of the i5-12600K CPU, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and the AMD RX 6700 XT GPU provides excellent performance. Number 3. $1,500 High-End Gaming PC. For $1,500, you get a PC that is pretty close to our $1,250 build. The only distinction, you obtain a superior CPU/motherboard combination. While the Intel Core i5-13600K in this system won't provide a significant in-game performance boost over the i5-12400F in the $1,250 build below, it is a better overall processor that should provide a small boost in FPS while gaming and will serve you better for non-gaming tasks as well, and you can overclock it to get even more performance out of it. An RX 6800 XT video card, 16 GB of DDR5 5600 mAh memory, a standard ATX motherboard with plenty of RGB lighting capabilities, a 1 TB SATA SSD, and a 750 W80 kHz gold power supply round out this system. It features plenty of storage for your needs as well as enough room to enable future upgrades. Number 2. $1,750 RX 6800 XT Gaming Computer. The sky is the limit in terms of performance at a price of $1,750. Seriously, with an RTX 4070 GPU, this configuration is capable of driving games on a 4K monitor. $1,750 will also provide you with a plethora of other possibilities. For example, if you intend to undertake some system tweaking, this kind of cash will allow you to get some respectable overclocks. This setup also includes an Intel Core i5-13600KF processor, a high-end 360mm AIO CPU cooler, and an 850 W gold power supply, in addition to the RTX 4070 graphics card. A 1TB NVMe SSD and 16 GB of 5600 mAh DDR4 RAM are also included. While 16 GB of memory will not be needed in most games, newer games are beginning to consume more than 8 GB of RAM, so the extra memory will ensure that you have enough to fulfill their needs. If you like RGB lighting, the chassis and CPU cooler in this setup have RGB lights. This system is powerful enough to run any game at maximum settings on a 1080 or 1440 monitor, and it will also work well on a 4K monitor. Number 1. Elite $2,000 4K Gaming PC Build. So you've made the decision to go all out. You're not going to spend less than $2,000 on computer parts for your new insanely fantastic computer setup. Okay, that's fine. Some individuals just have to have the finest. This is an advanced 4K gaming PC that can handle virtual reality and also function as a strong workstation. If you're going to spend this much money on a computer, make sure you match it with some high-end accessories such as a decent gaming chair, a G-Sync monitor, and a high-quality gaming headset. The Intel Core i5-13600KF processor, an RTX 4070 Ti graphics card, and 16 GB of DDR5 RAM are all included in this configuration. The combo of the RTX 4070 Ti and the i5-13600KF CPU will be more than capable of maxing out games on a 4K or 1440 p240Hz monitor. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.